Hey Joanna, this week I'm doing video feedback. So I'm just going to go over your assignment with you. Patient's name Pennywise, perfect. This is good. Everyone's like missing to put the name right there. That's great that you have it. We have the nursery, 258 days, perfect. The code is perfect. The units, I don't know if it's there because I really can't see beyond this box. And I can't move it. But it's supposed to be 1 unit, 1 unit. So down here, the total box, you have the correct total. You have Medicare, this is perfect. And page-wise goes here, not penny, it's page. With that number, we have all the other numbers there. Okay, so let me pause it. Let's go to your next one. Okay, this one is the group health plan. This one should be checked right there. We have the correct numbers. We have Shauna. We have her address. All this looks good. Same as patient. You do have Jeff. This is wonderful. Not many people did. All of these are no, going right down. You forgot the policy number here, which is CH00200. You'll need to add that one right there. And it's a student health insurance, which goes in block C here. Okay, now over here, the insurance plan name is Aetna. You're missing that. So you have the signature on file, signature on file. Okay, we have that. This is the correct code. Good for you. So when you have 21A, it goes with this modifier over here, goes underneath this E. Since you have an A listed there, the diagnostic pointer right here would be A. The place of service is 99212. You were close, almost there. We have that. We have the MPI numbers here, the total charge. Hold on, we go to the next one. Okay, for Paula Short, this one is TRICARE. So this one's checked off. Okay, all 3 are no again. You do have John, which is great. Not sure if that number needs to be here. That number is only up here where it should be with Paula's information. You are missing some information that goes right into here, which I need to put my glasses on, but I'm pretty sure it says 5/20/1991. And in C, it is TRICARE. Okay, so we have the signature on file, which is good. You have the correct code. When you have this code again, that's the A. So on the diagnostic pointer, there would be an A right here. The place of service, you were close, it's 99203. Everything else looks good.